Hi, Ken. It's me, John Everett. Long time no see. I'm just following up on the phone call and the email I sent you last week regarding our new search engine optimization services. I've partnered with a man who's been in the business for over 20 years. He's even written a book on it called Mastering Your Website. His name is John Calician. And I'm very excited about our partnership and how we can help people move up on Google. As you know, if you don't get on the first page of Google, you're not going to get phone calls. Now, we've done a really good job for you already for National Fireplace. If you'll see here in Google, I typed in National Fireplace, and guess who's number one? National Fireplace. Plus, you got these photos over here. So, that's the best we can do for you there. So you're getting phone calls, and that's helpful. But on the other hand, when I typed in National Garage Door Companies, Cumberland Garage Door doesn't come up. There's a lot of reasons for it. So how do we get Cumberland Garage Door up there where you start getting more phone calls from the website? Well, there's basically only three ways to get on the first page. The first is what's at the very top. If you'll see this where it says ad here, these are Google AdWords. They cost a lot of money. It's the quickest way to get on the first page of Google, but it's also the most expensive. The second way is to fill in online directories. This is called Google Places. There's also one on Bing. There's one on Yahoo. There's over 100 online directories. And we do offer a service of getting you there. That is something you could do yourself. I can show you how to do it yourself, but it is time consuming, mainly because there's like 100 websites, directory online websites to get on. But even more important than that is what we call the organic listings. Like, remember, you were number one there. But if you look here, these people are called the organic listings, just like the one you had over here, National Fireplace's organic listing. No matter how many times people click on it, it doesn't cost you any money. But here on garage doors, you're not ranking here, and there's a lot. The main reason is you don't have enough what Google calls quality backlinks, and that's what this company can do to help you. Is that we'll pick the 5 keywords that you want to rank for, like garage doors, Nashville garage door companies, those sort of keywords that people type. For example, I made a list of keywords for you. That's this is for Cumberland garage doors. And if you look at the term Nashville garage doors, there's 210 people every month that are typing that in. But right now you're on the second page of Google. 13 means there's only 10 free organic listings on a Google page, and you're on the second page. People are not likely to go there. Now you are doing okay, like for Cumberland garage door, you're seventh, but a lot more but a lot of people, twice as many people type in Nashville garage door, Nashville overhead door, garage door, Nashville, a lot more types. So you're losing a lot of phone calls because you're not showing up well for these keywords. And if you did show up on those keywords, you would be at the top of Google and you would get more phone calls like you are doing for National Fireplace. So how do we do that? How do we help people? Well, Ken, there's 2 ways we get them on the first page Google through backlinks. This is a client of ours. It's a roofing company in Kansas. And the first way is Google likes 2 things. They like quality content, and they like that content on other websites that are good, real websites. This is a client that we've worked with, and if you'll look, there are 3 ways in which we put quality content. One is on the title tag. The title tag, by the way, is just simply the blue ink here in the Google search engine. We want to make sure we got your name there. We make sure it lets people know what it is that you offer in products and services. The second thing that we offer is the description tag. The description tag is the black ink part. Again, we'll go back to yours. If you look at this black ink here, this is called the description tag. We make sure that has quality content, not on your website, but on other websites. Why is that important? because the more you're mentioned on other good quality websites, the higher Google will rank you in the search engine. And by getting you on the first page of Google, you simply get more phone calls. So how do we do that? Well, I'll show you. If you look here, this is the content for this website. It's a roofing company. If we go to their backlinks, we can show you a list of all the websites that they're listed on. Here it comes. These are websites that this content that I just showed you is listed. For example, this is a swimming pool website, obviously Stanton Pools. And if you look here, you'll see this roofing company is going to have their website address and information about them on a different website. That is what Google calls a backlink. And here's the pool service, and we'll go down here. We'll find them. There they are. There's the roofing company in Kansas. Here's the content. This is a backlink. It's on a different website, and it links back to your website. So again, the more backlinks you have, the higher you rank up. So again, there's two ways we do it. We help you with directory listings, which is something you can help, and also in backlinks. And I've attached in the email that's attached to this email I'm sending you is the proposal that I recommend to get you on the first page of Google for Cumberland garage doors. Look it over. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact me. Again, I appreciate you, Ken, and have a great day. Thanks.